Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equator. In this video we are going to use TI-34 scientific calculator to do polar and rectangular conversion. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's do some polar and rectangular conversion. We have polar and also for rectangular. In some books or instructors prefer to call it Cartesian. We can use second function and angle. This time we can press arrow and all the options are available. And here it says rectangular to polar, get r, rectangular to polar, get theta, rectangular polar to rectangular, get x, and if I go down, get y. And here is our example. We have r equals 6, this magnitude, and theta is 37 degrees. We want to find x and y. X and y refers to the tip of this vector. This is a y value and this is x value, so we want to find the coordinate of this point. Now, clear. If it's not clear, we just press clear. Second function, angle, move to the right, and then 3. Because it's polar to rectangular, we want to get x. 3. Now we enter 6 and then comma 37. Second function, comma, and 37 and enter. We got the answer. This one says, this says get x and this is the x value. This one says, this says get x and this is the x value. Now to get y, press second function angle, go to the right, and then number 4 at the bottom. You can scroll down, we just press 4. So this means from rectangular, polar to rectangular, get me y. Now we have to enter the same value, 6, shift, comma, 37, and enter. That is x, and this is the y value that we got. Now this is example 2. We have x and y, and we want to get theta and r. For x and y, y is -5, x is 4 for this point. Now we can do clear here now. Second function, angle, go to the right, and then 1. This says rectangular to polar, get r. Now enter the value 4 and then comma -5. 4, second shift, second function, comma. For minus we press this button, -5. That gives us the magnitude. And we get r, second function, angle, go to the right. In this case we want theta, 2. So enter 4, shift, comma, -5, the same as before. And now if I press enter, the result is degree, -51.34 degree. And this depends on the unit that you set here. If this is radian, the result will be radian, so keep that in mind. If you want to change it, press mode, go to the right and press enter. And now if I press enter, the answer is -0.9 radian. Let's change it back, degree, enter, clear, and enter again. So this is now correct value. So we got the theta or angle. And if we look here, because the value for r was good, for the theta it must be minus because it's below the x-axis, which is correct. Now example number 3, we have r and theta, 6 and 50. And because that 50 degrees is for this theta, we have to understand that from first quadrant we have 90 degrees and then 90 and then 50. So we have to add them together to get the x and y. Now I'm pressing clear. Let's enter it. Clear, second function, math, go to the right, and for x press 3. And we want to get x from polar to rectangular. 6, shift, comma, I'm going to enter 230 as a mathematical expression, 90 plus 90 plus 50, close, and we got 0.386. This is the answer. And to get y, second function math to the right. Now 4. Now it says from polar to rectangular, give me y. We can enter the same value, 6, shift comma. This time I'm going to enter 230 and minus 4.6 is the answer. We got y and then we got x. Now for the values, because x is minus 3, which is correct, it's negative, and y is also minus 4.5, our answer is correct. Thank you for watching. This was the full video instruction manual for this TI-34 Multiview scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video and also please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.